This song has two patterns, one for the verse and one for the chorus. In the verse, we'll start on F major, F, A, C for one measure, then to B flat major, B flat, D, F for one measure, and finishing on G minor, G, B flat, D for two measures. In one hand, that progression would look and sound like this: 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, G minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In two hands, that verse pattern could look like this: 2, 3, 4, F, B flat, G minor for two measures. The chorus has four chords, starting again on F major with an F, A, C, going again to B flat major, B flat, D, F, then to that G minor again, G, B flat, D, but finishing on C major, C, E, G. In one hand, beginning on F, every chord gets one bar: 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, G minor, C major. In two hands, the chorus progression could look and sound like this. Start on F, 2, 3, 4, F,